Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Microsoft Word documents into one file. So I'm going to show you what we're working with right now. So I have this document right here, and you can see the title is the evolution of technology, and I have actually added or make the title here is a heading 1. That way it's just going to be easier for us. And this is in blue. All right. Now, if we head over to the other document I have, it should be this one right here. I have this as well, and the title is The Rise of AI. And you can see that the title of this is PDF sample. Now, what we are going to do is if you have a lot of documents that you want to merge into one file, what I recommend you doing is that you rename those in the order. So, for example, in this case, I just have one. I can go ahead and rename this one or make a copy for this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and rename this. So I'm going to go ahead and add here 01 document, just like so. Now let's go ahead and put it here, and we're going to merge it with this one. So let's go to our main document, should be this one right here. We're going to head over to the last part where this ends. So say for example here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click layout, page break, and then let's go ahead and click page, and now we're here. So now that we are done with the page break, what I want you to do is head over to insert and then click this and click text from file, and then you're gonna go ahead and locate that particular file. So in this case it's the 01 document. So if you have multiple documents that you want to add here, it's going to be named in the following order. So in this case 01, that document should be 02, 03, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the insert button right here, and you can see that now it is in here. So yeah, you have now added them. So from this point forward, you can then go ahead and work around on the formatting. You can go ahead and click Control A and basically adjust the format of the text. Say for example something like that, and then something like that. And yeah, now you have a combined document. That everybody is how you're going to get this done.